Well, this evening, kitchens all over the islands will be filled with dirty dishes, turkey bones, and lots of grease. KITV4's Pamela Young reports on a local enterprise that hopes to unclog our sewers and drains with a new product with a catchy name.
No greasy oven for the Pyatt family today. Their bird gets a bath in the deep fryer. In 40 minutes, they've got a golden brown turkey and almost 2 gallons of leftover cooking oil, which, thanks to WOFAT, will not end up down the drain.
Of 100% recycled material collected locally from the island. It's phone books, newspaper, and cardboard. And basically, when you're done cooking with oil in your kitchen, you pour the rest into here.
The material soaks up the grease, up to 4 cups of oil in 1 carton.
You just throw it away with the regular trash in the gray refuse bin. And actually, the cool part about this is it goes to H-Power, and since all the oil is stuck inside here, it helps with the incineration process, so it helps create energy.
Pyatt's new company has already sold 1,700 WOFAT boxes, and more than 1,000 have been placed in condo units by property managers tired of calling out the plumbers to fix clogged drains.
We come from a culture that cooks with a lot of oil, so back in the 40s and 50s, a lot of our grandparents used to pour oil down the drain. So now the city and county is dealing with these past problems, and now we have to pay for all the oil that was pumped down, and now we got to excavate it, clean it, so on and so forth.
The product has been approved for use by the city and the State Department of Health and will be available for purchase at Whole Foods at the beginning of next year. In Hawaii Kai, Pamela Young, KITV4 News.